Hey everyone, welcome to this Inventor HSM quick tip, breaking down the heights tab. For this example, we'll use a facing operation. We'll right-click Edit, then we'll click on the Heights tab. Inside the Heights tab, you can see we have a section that represents the bottom height of our cut, along with an incremental offset dropdown to tell us where to locate that point. In this case, the model top represents the bottom depth of our cut. Next, we'll check the top height, and we'll set that to our stock top, representing the top of our cut. Next, we'll adjust our feed height. We'll set that to our top height plus 200,000ths of an inch. This is the height at which our tool rapids to before going into a feed or plunge rate before entering our part. Next, we'll adjust our retract height to being the feed height plus 200,000ths of an inch. This is the height at which our tool moves to before rapiding to its next cutting pass. Finally, we'll adjust our clearance height. We'll set it to the retract height plus 400,000ths of an inch. The clearance height's the first height the tool rapids to on its way to the starting point of the toolpath. Notice all of our incremental offset options. By selecting any one of these, it changes where we're going to start our offset point from. In the case of my bottom height, I'm going to use selection, and then inside the model, I'm going to select the top surface of my soft jaw. Now I'll type in 50,000ths for my offset, and this will keep my tool from ever gouging into my soft jaws. If I right-click in the Offset Height box, you'll notice several other options are available to us, including resets and using expressions. Now for a comparison, let's open a 3D toolpath by selecting the horizontal toolpath. We'll right-click, Edit, and pick the Heights tab. You should immediately notice that not all the planes are available. That's because different types of toolpaths require different height planes. Because this toolpath has varying Z heights, there is no feed height. I hope this breakdown helps you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and look for more tips to come.